All right, here we come to the elevator at the Wallace parking deck in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This is an elevator in an outdoor environment, and it's a Dover Impulse. Finally I get to check this elevator out. It's a Dover nameplate. Look at this, it's got a side door too. I've been wanting to check this elevator out for such a very long time. Wow, this is something. Here's your ADA phone. Which side is it open on? Go to P. Check this out. It's got the old bumper. Look at a full detail cab view of this. Ceiling's a bit vandalized. Just look at this thing. Although this is just your average Dover Impulse elevator, but this is definitely unique. And this was installed in 1993. The same exact year as both the Market Parking Garage and the elevators at the Mays Business School at Texas A&M. We'll go for one more ride now. This is an interesting elevator, I gotta say. These are your fixtures. We'll go for one more ride. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on the street level because I gotta get back down to the main street. Look at this, got a side door. This is definitely an interesting elevator configuration, I'll say that. I'm so glad I finally got to check this out. Alright, we're gonna go and get off here because it's getting hot. All right, there's the street right there. Watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.